If you're frustrated with slow loading times on your WordPress site when viewed on mobile, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through proven steps to speed up your site for mobile visitors, so you can keep users engaged, rank higher on Google, and boost your conversions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your WordPress site lightning fast on phones and tablets, using the tools and strategies that really work in 2026. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to look at is your theme. You might not realize it, but heavy themes packed with sliders, fancy animations, or giant built-in features act as silent speed killers for your site. Think of your theme as the foundation of a house. If it's overloaded, everything else will struggle to work efficiently. That's why I highly recommend switching to a lightweight, high-performance theme. Options like Astra, GeneratePress, or Cadence are purpose-built for speed. They strip out all the bloat and focus on delivering smooth, responsive experiences. When making the switch, pay special attention to your mobile navigation too. Try to simplify your menu structure. Avoid complex, multi-level dropdowns that rely on heavy JavaScript libraries. A clean, native navigation not only loads faster but is also easier for your visitors to use, especially on a smaller screen. If you've ever waited for a menu to load, you know how irritating that can be. Next up, let's talk about speed plugins, which are essential for optimizing performance. In 2026, there are a few frontrunners that can make a noticeable difference. WP Rocket is widely considered the industry standard for all-in-one caching and script optimization. It streamlines how your site loads assets, reducing lag and bottlenecks. For those looking for a more hands-off approach, NitroPack is a fantastic cloud-based solution. It automates image optimization and serves your content via a global CDN, meaning your site will load quickly regardless of where your visitors are located. If your hosting provider uses Lightspeed servers, installing Lightspeed Cache is a no-brainer. It brings server-level caching, which translates to near-instant page loads. Don't forget regular cleanups with WP Optimize. Over time, your WordPress database fills up with clutter like expired transients and old post revisions. WP Optimize will keep your database lean, which means faster query responses on every mobile visit. Setting these plugins up might take a few minutes, but don't worry if you run into any small snags. Most plugins offer easy setup wizards or excellent help docs. Just take it step by step. Now let's focus on images, which are often the biggest reason for mobile site sluggishness. Did you know that images can account for more than half of your page's total weight? This is where next-gen formats come into play. If you convert your images to modern formats like WebP or AVIF, you'll see file size reductions of up to 35% with no visible drop in quality. It's like swapping out a heavy suitcase for a featherweight one without giving up any of your essentials. Also, make sure you're using responsive images. That means adding the src set attribute when you upload images, so your site automatically serves smaller versions for mobile screens. Users on phones don't need giant desktop images after all. And finally, enable lazy loading. Plugins like Lazy Load by WP Rocket ensure that images only load when they're about to enter the viewport. This means faster initial load times, less data use, and a smoother browsing experience for your visitors. So with these steps, a snappy theme, the right speed plugins, and smart image optimization, your site will feel much quicker on mobile devices. Remember, improving load time isn't just about numbers. It's about giving your audience the best possible experience wherever they visit from. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your results, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your faster site.